Alright, we have a Canon C255IF, and we cannot log in to the administration, so I'm going to show you how to reset that. You go to settings and registration, hit 2 and 8, register. Bringing you to the service mode, then you can go to mode list, copier, and then go to function, and you want to go right here where it says clear, password clear. So once you select that, then hit OK, and once you hit OK, then hit reset again, and then you're going to want to go ahead and flip the switch, power it down, power it back up, and then you should be able to log in with administrator with the capital A 7654321. So let's go try it. Alright, we are at the administration window. So for the username, you're going to want to type in administrator, and then the default password is 7654321. Log in. Hopefully it's going to work. And there you have it. Now it's asking us to reset our password, and you can go ahead and change it here or just hit portal just to bypass that, but I suggest you do change the default password. And there you go, you guys. That's how you can reset the administrator web login for the Imagerunner Canon printer.